Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the time my neighbor Frank tried to expand his camping setup by duct taping two tents together. It was like watching a caterpillar try to become a butterfly, but getting stuck halfway and filing for emotional damages. After seeing that, I truly appreciate when professionals step in, like the geniuses behind the Vaya Mobile Home. Before we dive deeper into this miracle of design and camping bliss, smash that subscribe button like you're trying to kill a wasp with a flip-flop. Trust me, you won't want to miss the next trailer that might just replace your sad backyard shed. Now, the Vaya Mobile Home is no ordinary tiny house on wheels. Designed by award-winning Bulgarian industrial wizard Svilen Gamolov, this sleek beast can triple its size in camp mode. Yup, from a compact towable form, it unfolds into a massive 50 square meters, 538.2 square feet, of living space. The Vaya cleverly places the kitchen and dining area outdoors on the porch. I think this move is brilliant. No more making your entire trailer smell like 3-day-old fish curry. Though, let's be honest, cooking outside means your nosy neighbor Ted will absolutely happen to stroll by every mealtime. Built using lightweight aviation and marine-grade materials, the Vaya stays under 3.5 tons, making it easy to tow without feeling like you're dragging a small country behind you. Plus, solar panels and LED motion sensor lights help you keep things eco-friendly while you're busy flexing on Instagram. As for pricing, details are hush-hush, but based on the premium design and features, I believe it will land somewhere north of $100,000, $93,000 euros. Honestly, for the amount of tech, style, and expandability you're getting, I think it's worth every penny. And hey, if you want to help us afford an expandable coffee machine and possibly a duct tape intervention for Frank, consider becoming a sponsor of the Camp Avto channel for just $1. That's less than a lukewarm gas station burrito. The sponsorship link is right there under the video. Click it before Frank starts building again.